Sometimes things scare the shit out of you when you walk out the door and don't expect it. What's up, guys? How are y'all doing? Huh? Yeah, I've been running pretty good here lately. Well, I say that. I ain't making a lot of money, but I am running. How about we stop here? Goodlettsville, Tennessee. That's pretty simple. Hey, they got a laundry and vending machine area. And I'm back outside. But they got me over there by that. Hey, we'll eat first. You know it. Hey, they do have an indoor pool. I'm not going swimming though. I gotta get up way early. All right. So, for $51, we got us a king exterior room. It ain't all that great, but we got a chair, and it's all right. The light works, the TV works, and you got a desk, and then you got a bed, and that's a good thick comforter. Oh, I'm gonna sleep really good, like super good. I gotta get up in like, I don't know, 10 hours, less than 10 hours. I'll be fine. Does have a microwave in the fridge. Yeah, it kind of works. Actually, it works, but like you can tell that they just kind of like turned on the power to the room kind of deal, but it's not bad. You know, I like the mirror, all of them. But you got a coffee pot, and the coffee pot has a little tubey. Coffee is, oh, I need to go get some good, oh wait, it's over here. We got good coffee. Ironing board, little clothes bag. And then you got toilet, no shower head. That's interesting. Usually they're on the other side. It's still doable. Shampoo, conditioner, scratchy towels, folded toilet paper. That's horrible. I know. Y'all are probably like, why are you always showing me the rooms and stuff? Well, it's called Room by the Hour. And I want to show you what the... Actually, I'm really just documenting because stuff I like and some stuff I don't. Like that. That's like, I don't like that. There's multiple reasons. One, I think it's gaudy as hell. And two, it's not going to work because it's not within 4 inches of the ceiling. So, yeah, that's a whole nother story. You don't need to know that kind of stuff. I know that stuff, but that's just because of my background. I kind of like the fact that that's set in right there, you know? And it doesn't blow the air conditioner up into the curtain and then cause it to shut off and being 100 degrees in here. I don't mind the lamps with the plugs in it as long as they work. I don't mind the USB port, but I like having the outlets there. I don't like the phones. I've never used a phone. Well, 3 times I've had the phones ring and that's it. I'm not a fan of phones. I don't need them. Like, there's no point. I have a cell phone. It works, except when it doesn't, and then they call the room and try to wake me up, and I'm really appreciative of that. So I probably should not, like, yell about, phones. I like having that. Those are nice. You can put your bag on there. I don't because there's a table, so why do I need to unfold that when I can put it on the table? I like having Kleenex in the room, but I like it better when I can pick it up and take it over to the bed. That way I can blow my nose in the middle of the night. Now I have to get up. So I like a lot of counter space, but kind of wish it was a little higher, not, so low. It's really not one of them things. I like having a little place to put your soaps and shampoos and conditioners in the shower. But I also like having this because I think this is easy and they're refillable. I like good toilet paper, but I don't really care because, I'm a guy. I don't really need, one ply sucks, but, you just, bump it up to, 37 ply. I love a good mattress and a thick comforter and good pillows. I don't need an alarm clock, though. I guess what I'm getting at is I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. And I really want to know what y'all like and don't like. Because what you like and what you don't like matters to you. Because I want to hear from everybody. Because if I do build this resort, if I was able to get accommodations in which people could come stay, if that did happen, I would want to make sure it met everybody's wants and needs. Well, not everybody, but most people's. I should probably kick my shoes off. Man, this bed is comfortable. Oh, I slept amazing in this nice, wonderful bed. I'm making coffee now. It's 1:30 in the morning. So, hey, up. Yeah. All right. Maybe I'll show you some stuff on the way. Maybe. Okay, the shower was getting hot, but I don't like the fact that it streams in all the way over there, and you gotta step over the toilets to get back there to get out of the water to get in. I don't like that at all. Well, sometimes things scare the shit out of you when you walk out the door and don't expect it. What's up, guys? How are y'all doing? Huh? I mean, like, seriously, when I heard them, like, jump. Oh, I love beautiful sunrises, especially when you're on the Bluegrass Parkway in Kentucky. Come on. Dude, I didn't know there was a castle here. You know, last video I was in Fort Lauderdale, and there was a gate agent, well, a agent from, she wasn't all that great, and she was kind of painted butt and blah, blah, blah. That's why I love United. They have one first class seat available in out of this the early flight going to Chicago. And what do? I'm in the back and I'm on a reward ticket. Nope, they just go ahead and give it to me. They're like, here you go. Enjoy your day. Thanks for being 1K. I'm like, shit, yeah. I had to add one of these packs to be able to put it in here to make my hot chocolate. I don't know, I ain't never done it, but I'm trying because I'm like, oh, you know what? I feel like hot chocolate, and I had breakfast already. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. Man, that's loud. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here because I'm, you know, at the Lexington Club, and then my plane's actually sitting over there. So, catch you later. They got Amy's mints. My favorite. So, fun fact: these right here actually saved Olive Garden millions of dollars. They actually had a study done, and they went ahead and somebody came in and taught them the art of persuasion and stuff like that. And they started getting their waiters to give these with a ticket. And once their waiters were giving people something, then they went ahead and the people were tipping more because they felt like they owed it to them, no matter if they sucked or not. So they actually were able to keep their wages low and good to go. All right, with that, I'm getting on my plane. I'm headed back. This video is long enough. I hope you enjoy. I'm trying to get to where I'm doing multiple a week again for you until I don't have anything else to do. So, later.